Uganda Cup. This is the oldest cup in the football competition in Uganda, and it was the children of the Kabalega who won the competition. So they have asked me formally, they want to hand you as a daughter of Kabalega this cup so that we appreciate the role of the children of Kabalega.
I will be sending you 20 million to support you. I've been given even omujozi.
Twara mukisa guno kusiima government ya Uganda abo okuikiriza tusambira omupiira gwaitu gwa Confederation mu kisaawe kyaitu. Kya leero tuyizire hano nitwe tuyizire kurora ngu ekikopo kyaitu twakyolekya Prime Minister kandi n'okumusaba ekisaawe. Ababayireho muhulire Minister wa Sports naikiriza mungu empira yaitu ya Kitara Football Club ya Confederation ejja kuba nesambibwa mu kisaawe kya Hoima Stadium.